Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today I wanted to show you kung ano nga ba yung dapat nating gawin pag bumili tayo ng succulents. So several days ago I bought some succulents and I have actually uprooted some of them. Pero these three here na nasa ating table are actually those succulents na medyo malalaki na sila, and I don't have any plans of uprooting them kasi they look healthy naman sa kanilang pinaka pot. Pero kasi syempre, even if na they look healthy sa kanilang pot, we really don't know if may mga pest ba na meron sa pinakailalim ng kanilang soil, and I wanted to give you an example. So ito yung ating Sedum Firestorm. Ayan siya. So itong succulent na to was severely infested nung isang pest na tinatawag nating snout weevil, and yung ginagawa ng pest na yon is actually they are literally eating itong ating succulents. And ayan, yung nakikita nating scars dyan are actually the bite marks of those weevil, and yun nga, pinapapangit niya yung ating mga succulent, and this is something na ayaw nating mangyari, especially that yung snout weevil can actually move from one succulent to another succulent really fast. Sa mga hindi pa naka-encounter ko ano nga bang snout weevil, ito siya. Ayan, so makikita nyo naman sobrang bilis niyang lumakad. And another information, they actually lay their eggs sa pinakailalim ng ating soil. So dito sa taas parang okay naman, wala naman tayong nakikitang pest, pero deep inside here possibly may mga eggs dyan or any pest na hindi natin nakikita, and syempre over time doon na nga sila dadami and infest our garden. And yun nga yung iniiwasan natin as early as now, kasi that's one of the biggest mistake I did before. After buying a succulent, tinatabi ko na sila agad dito nga sa ating mga succulents here, kasi wala naman akong nakikitang pest, not knowing na may mga nakatagong pest pala dyan. So today I'm gonna be using this 7. Ayan, it comes in 50 grams, and yung malaking package nito is nasa 250 grams. And dito sa likod, you can use it for ano siya, for fruits, for crops, for vegetables, and even for ornamental plants. Ayan, and here nakalagay yung instructions on how to mix it. So for every 16 liters of water, we will be adding about 40 to 60 grams pag ornamental plants yung lalagyan natin. And para hindi kayo malito, yung 1 tablespoon is approximately 15 grams. So ibig sabihin sa 16 liters of water, we will be adding about 4 tablespoon of this 7. So itong solution na ito should be sprayed sa ating mga plants. Ayan siya. Pero for me kasi, syempre, ang main purpose ko nga is talagang patayin kung ano man yung mga pest na nandyan sa ating potting mix. Kaya what I'm gonna be doing is literally soak itong ating mga succulents in this solution for several minutes. So probably 1 hour yung pag-soak natin sa kanila dito sa ating solution, just to make sure na talagang mamatay lahat ng mga pest na meron man dito sa ating mga succulents. And since I love to experiment and I really wanted to make sure na this 7 solution can actually kill itong snout weevil, I decided na ilagay sa solution yung ating snout weevil and let's see if it would really die and kung gaano nga ba siya kabilis or katagal mamatay. So just imagine itong snout weevil na to is nandun sa pinaka-soil ng ating succulents and it's literally drowning as of now. And by the way, itong ating 7 actually affects the nervous system ng ating mga pests. So upon contact nga dito sa ating solution, it now results to uncontrolled movement, to paralysis, and possible death ng mga pests. It would also affect their circulatory and respiratory system and definitely it would lead to the failure ng kanyang vital body systems and that really caused the death ng ating mga pests. And right now nakita naman natin na there is something wrong sa ating snout weevil. After soaking our succulents here for more than an hour, pwede na natin silang tanggalin sa ating solution and air dry them. So at least right now, I'm assured na kahit papano wala ng pest kung meron man dyan sa soil ng ating mga succulents. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.